Horizon Drone GPS Pro version operational video. Precautions before operation. Take out the drone. First unfold the forward arms of the drone, then unfold the rear arms of the drone. Make sure the drone is positioned horizontally before starting. Replacement and installation of propellers. Use a screwdriver to remove the screw from the propeller. Remove the propeller, take out the spare propeller. Verify if the letters on the propeller are consistent. Then tighten the screw. The replacement of the propeller is completed. Charging the drone battery. Take out the charging cable. Connect one end of the charging cable to the battery. The other USB plug is connected to the charging device for charging. The LED light is red when charging. The indicator goes off when the charge is full. Do not use a fast charging charger. About remote control. First, let's take a look at the function of the remote control buttons. The remote controller uses rechargeable batteries. Connect one end of the charging cable to the remote charging port. The other USB plug is connected to the charging device for charging. The LED indicator flashes during charging. The indicator remains lit when fully charged. The pairing of the drone. First, turn on the power switch of the drone. Place the drone horizontally. The drone's LED lights start flashing. Next, turn on the remote control. The remote screen activates and auto-connects simultaneously. Wait for the drone camera view to appear on the screen for successful pairing. Gyroscope calibration. Gyroscope calibration is required before each takeoff. First, make sure the drone is on level ground. Press the gyroscope calibration button on the remote control. At this point, the LED lights in front of the drone quickly flash. When the light changes from flashing to steady on, the calibration is complete. Magnetic calibration procedure. Press the magnetic calibration button on the remote. Drone indicators flash rapidly during calibration. Rotate drone horizontally 3 full circles for horizontal calibration. Remote emits single beep for successful horizontal calibration. Tilt drone vertically with nose downward and rotate 3 full circles. Remote emits double beep for successful vertical calibration. GPS mode switching. Wait for GPS satellite acquisition before takeoff. Takeoff allowed when satellite signal exceeds 9 satellites. When flying indoors, GPS must be disabled. Long press the GPS button for 3 seconds to deactivate GPS and activate indoor mode. Basic operation of drone flight. After the pairing is completed, the drone can start to take off. Press the unlock button on the remote controller. The drone motor starts. Then push the left joystick up again to make the drone rise vertically. Push the left joystick up and the drone rises vertically. Pull the left joystick down and the drone descends vertically. Push the left joystick to the left and the drone rotates to the left. Push the left joystick to the right and the drone rotates to the right. Push the right joystick up and the drone goes forward. Pull the right joystick down and the drone goes backward. Push the right joystick to the left and the drone moves to the left. Push the right joystick to the right and the drone moves to the right. Obstacle avoidance function introduction. There is an obstacle avoidance button of the remote. It is used to turn on or off the 4-direction obstacle avoidance head on the top of the drone. After the obstacle avoidance is turned on, the remote control will keep sounding dee-dee-dee. The drone stops when it approaches an obstacle on all sides. Press again to turn off the function. Camera electric adjustment button function description. The left dial on the top of the remote controller adjusts the camera's vertical tilt angle. Dial leftward to tilt camera downward. Dial rightward to tilt camera upward. Speed adjustment function introduction. The right dial on the top of the remote controller adjusts the drone's flight speed settings. The number of determines what gear you're on. 3 speeds can be cyclically switched. Speed 3 is recommended for outdoor flight. Remote display functions. This is the button of taking picture. This is the button of taking video. Click to start recording. Click again to stop. Press gallery button to view photos, videos. Use up, down selection buttons to choose operations. Mobile app download. Open the scan function of the mobile phone. Scan manual QR code for app download after installation. the drone app icon will be on the desktop of the phone. Next, we show the steps to connect to the mobile app. First, turn on the drone. Place the drone horizontally. Next up is the drone's Wi-Fi connection. Connect to Wi-Fi network, starting with HYGPS. Click to connect Wi-Fi. Foldable phone holder in the center of the remote. Insert phone into bracket and connect with provided cable. Select the appropriate connector based on your phone's port type. Connect one end to your smartphone. Connect the other end to the remote controller's Type-C port. Turn on the remote controller's power switch. Wait for successful pairing between the remote and phone. Click the drone app icon to enter the app. Click Start Now to access the drone camera. The phone screen will then mirror the remote's display. Function introduction of mobile app. This is the camera zoom button. The zoom controller will appear on the right side of the screen. Drag the zoom controller on the right to achieve up to 50x zoom. This is the button of taking picture. Click to capture the current picture. This is the button of taking video. Click to start recording. Click again to stop. Click the photo album button. You can enter the drone's photo album to view previously taken photos and recorded videos. This is camera angle adjustment, adjustable camera shooting angle. This is a 3D screen. Click to enter the 3D screen. This is inverted mirroring. When opened, the screen will be reversed. Click again to turn off the inverted mirroring. This is the camera switching button. You can switch between the drone's front and bottom cameras. This is the MV making button. It provides a variety of special effects, filters and other picture effects and music. Thanks for watching video.